If you're experiencing a transfer pending status with your AT&T service, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check transfer status. Visit the AT&T website or app to check the status of your transfer. This will provide you with the latest updates and any specific issues that may be causing the delay. Step 2. Confirm account information. Ensure that all account information, including your phone number and account number, is correct. Any discrepancies can lead to delays in the transfer process. Step 3. Contact customer support. If the status remains pending, contact AT&T customer support. They can provide detailed information about the transfer and help troubleshoot any issues. Step 4. Verify porting requirements. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After addressing any issues, wait for confirmation from AT&T that the transfer has been completed. This may take some time, so be patient and keep an eye on your account status. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the transfer pending issue with AT&T. If problems persist, continue to reach out to customer support for further assistance.